ngali mu kaweefube w'okutumbula ebyemizannyo mu Mubende Municipality. Omubaka Honorable Bashir Lubega Ssempa olwaleero asibye atalaga amasomero agali mu Mubende Municipality ng'ali omu n'omwami Wuma Lutwesije ng'ono yakulira ebyemizannyo mu Mubende Municipality. Honorable Bashir yasookedde ku Focus Junior School nga wano yagabye emipiira egy'abalenzi n'abawala gye bayambe okusigala nga bayitaba mu byemizannyo kusa n'ebirabo byewadde abaana b'ekibiina ky'omusanvu.
Good afternoon once again.
Good afternoon, Teacher Maureen.
How are we?
We are all right, thank you, Teacher Maureen.
How are you?
We are all right, thank you, our Lisa.
Yes, now can we clap hands for God for keeping us safe?
Who can repeat my name?
Honorable Ssempa Bashir Lubega.
You clap for him. If you want to be a member of parliament, what is the first thing you should do?
You have to be smart and
So you have to learn. This one gave also a very good answer. The one who said that you have to learn. You have to remain in what? And to remain in school means that you have to be disciplined.
Omubaka yayise omwana w'obulenzi kusa n'omwana w'obuwala abakulira ebyemizannyo ku ssomero lino era n'abawa emipiira gye bayambeko okutumbula ebyemizannyo.
I want to hand over this new ball to our team captain for this school, such that you engage in co-curricular what? Activities. So this one is for focus what? This is netball. We want you to do what?
Omubaka bwe yamaze okuwa abaana ba Focus Junior School emipiira n'ayita abaana b'ekibiina eky'omusanvu nabo n'abayambako mu kaweefube w'okwongera okuteekateeka abaana baffe okutuula ebibuuzo by'ekyomusanvu.
So this is a gift of love to support our candidates from the Honorable MP said for each candidate. I want to encourage you not to drop from school. Don't drop out. Remain studying because there is nothing you will do if you don't do what? Be patient. If teachers want to punish you, accept to be punished if you have done wrong. Okay? Those people who come from outside, be disciplined on their way as you are coming to school. And also be disciplined as you are moving out of the school.
Amasomero gabadde mangi nnyo getambuddemu olunaku olwaleero nga bw'ogenda okulaba mu vidiyo zaffe eziddako. Weewale nnyo okuwagira n'okugoberera enteekateeka z'omubaka Bashir. Bikolwa si bigambo.